Yo, 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 what the deal? This your boy X.E.L.O. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you. Thank you for coming back. But if you are new here, please do me a favor and like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll let you know when I drop another video. And make sure you leave in the comment section. I'm new here. All right, so today, what I'm actually going to be doing is doing some flipping of some samples in Sitala. Yes, you heard me right. Sitala, the drum machine. We're going to flip some samples, and hopefully you can make a banger. Let's go. All right, so here we are in Cakewalk. This is my dark theme. If you're interested in this theme or my light theme, I have a link below in the description that you can download them for free. I'm actually using one of the samples I just had from my Discord flip. Uh, this is what the sample sounds like. All right, so that's the sample I will be using. My tempo right now is set to 140, so what I want to do is kind of speed up this loop. I know it's a perfect loop because I made it. And I'm going to set it up to where I can have slices in here, and then we're going to drop it into Sitala as separate slices and then make the beat from there. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is click on the sample here, and I'm going to go to the end, hold down Control and Shift on the keyboard. Let's bring this back to about 8 bars, and I'm going to bounce it to clip this so it'll keep its integrity. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this sample, and I'm going to do a split. So I'm going to click on split here, and I'm going to split repeatedly, and I have it cut one by one. So it's going to make, for every bar that's here, it's going to make a slice. And I'm going to hit OK on here. All right, so now I have 8 slices that I can throw into Sitala. And what I want to do is make sure that all of them have like a fade on them, just so they don't have like pops and clicks when I move them. So I'm going to kind of fade them in the beginning and at the end, just to make sure. It's a slight fade. All right. And now we're just going to pull up Sitala. All right. And those who are not familiar with Sitala, this is what it actually looks like. Simple drum setup on here. I'm going to do a new kit. And so now it's empty and it's asking for a sample. So what I can do is just drag each sample in to the player. All right. So also what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these same 8 in here again, and I'll show you why. All right. So what's cool about Sitala is that you can kind of, move your endpoints if you wanted to. You still have your option for your shapes. So you can kind of shape the design however you want. Like if I wanted to kind of come in, fade in a little bit better, I can do that as well, or take away the end. So, I can still do my tuning in here and change the actual tone of it as well. So these are really good features that I actually have inside of this sample. I can do compression. Like I said, I could change the tone of the actual samples as well. So I still have to do some more setting up. So what I'm gonna do now is actually add all of these into a choke group, basically. So I'm gonna just make sure everything is choking each other out. So I'm gonna right click in here, go to choke, and make sure it's set on all. All right. And for this, I'm actually going to be using a push. So all of them are actually choking each other off. So yeah, so I can have them all choking each other off. I'm actually using the push in here. I don't know if you guys have seen me using the push on a couple other videos. This is all you can do in Cakewalk. As you see, the screen is black. None of the buttons on the outside really work on there. You still have your option to do your pitch bend, but that's pretty much it. Everything else is like grayed out. You can't really see them, but it's neither here nor there. So I'm gonna go to this number 9 because this is, and what I'm gonna do it here is I'm going to click on the sample and right click on it, and it gives me an option to reverse the sample. So all these other ones, I'm going to reverse them. All right, so in the reverse sounds like this. Yeah, so now I can kind of just make whatever. All right, so for this first one, you see how it has like it's a little harsh in the beginning. I'm gonna try to shape it a little. So it actually has a smoother transition when it's actually coming in, so you don't hear that little clip in there. So yeah, so you can do this with Sitala, and it's amazing that a lot of people don't really use Sitala like that. But let's see if we can make some magic here. I'm gonna do a loop point in here, so I guess I should have did a loop point from the beginning. I'm gonna mute these on the top, and let's see if we can make some. All right, so that was just something to kind of get us started. Um, I'm going to go in the editor and kind of just see what we can do here. First of all, let's quantize it so they'll kind of be on the grid. All right, and I'll leave them as they are now. Just going to stretch them out a little bit just so that it can reach the bar. All right, so let's add another Sitala, and this time we'll just do drums. All right, so what I did was actually add my Sitala kit that I have from my templates. If you're not sure how to actually make a template, I have a video showing you how to actually make templates in Cakewalk. So this is basically one of the templates in here. I'm gonna try to find a hi-hat loop to throw in here just so I can speed up the process a little. All right, so I just chose two hi-hat loops to kind of throw in here just to mix them up and give them a nice full kind of sound. This is what it sounds like right now. All right, so we can just pretty much add some drums from Sitala in here. So I'm gonna use that snare there and just kind of get that started. All right, now let's add a kick in there. All right, I'm just gonna bring it up in the piano roll here just so I can kind of put them in place and quantize them, and we're gonna do 16th. All right, and I'm just gonna add a open hat in there. I know there's one in the loop, but I want to add my own. All right, and the only thing left would be like to add an 808. So let's pull one of those up real quick. All right, I think I have the bass down. Let's just try it. All right. All right, so I did the bass on here, and this is kind of what it sounds like right now. All right, so now I have the 808 in here, and basically you can call this a wrap. Hey man, I really appreciate you guys for stopping by, checking out this video, showing you how to use Sitala as a sampler and actually flipping samples with Sitala. Really, really dope. With that being said, I do have a sample flip that I do every month. So definitely join the Discord, which is below in the description. And make sure you like, share, and comment these videos. And once again, this is your boy, X.E.L.O. Till next time, people. Peace.